Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is karpos. Dear friends, Erene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is karpos. I'd like to read something first. Chaire Maria, keharitomene, ho Kyrios metasu, ilogimene su engenaiksin, kai ilogimenos ho karpos tes koilias su, hotis sotera etekes ton sukhon hemon. Well, that is the Hail Mary in Greek. And this is the traditional Byzantine text as prayed in the Eastern churches. But I'd like to focus on one phrase. Lugamenos ho karpos tes koilias su. That may be familiar to you because that is, blessed is the fruit of your womb. That is our word, karpos. It means fruit. Fruit is the symbol of what life produces, whether good or evil. A spirit-filled life bears holy fruit. In Galatians chapter 5, verse 22, we read, Hode karpos, tu pneumatos estin agape, chara, erene, macrothumia, and so on. The fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, etc. Karpos. In John chapter 15, verse 8, Jesus tells us, By this my Father is glorified, that you bear much fruit and become my disciples. Fruit, then, is the visible proof of our inner life with God. And even in English, we hear this connection. We have words like carpal, relating to the wrist, right? Carpal. And that fruit-bearing joint. And for us Christians, this word carries deep meaning in our life of faith. It calls us to respond with conviction and action. If the Spirit truly dwells in us, kung nasa sa atin yung Espiritu, yung mga salita natin, yung mga gawain natin, yung mga pinipili natin mga bagay, yung ating paglilingkod, pinapakita niya ito, na tayo'y puno ng Espiritu. Kaya ito yung challenge para sa atin. How do we live this word today in our discipleship? What fruit do others taste from our lives? Ano ba yung bunga na nakikita nila sa atin, natitikman nila? Bitterness, no? Mapait ba, no? Yung mga bitter? Or love? Is it selfishness or generosity? That's why the true proof of faith, it's not in what we say, but in what we believe. Especially, it's in the fruit that our lives bear. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.